Hello everyone. Today we're going to do another review. This time we're going to do a review of this extended multi-bead screwdriver by Klein tools. It is very nice multi screwdriver because it's a long reach screwdriver. It's very good for panels. If you want to go inside of these deep panels and you want to still have your hand comfortable where there is a lot of cable, this screwdriver comes in handy for that. And at the same time it's good because it's multi, and this screwdriver is basically an electrician screwdriver because the beads that possess inside, they are more common on electrician. For example, it has the fillet number 2, and when you take it out here, you have the slot 1/4, and then in each size you have the square number 1 and the square number 2, and in these two sides you have the two knock driver, 1/4 and 5/16 knock driver. It is very nice, and like I say, what makes it more special is that it's long. When you compare it to a regular Klein screwdriver, as we can see, it's a little bit longer, like 1 inch compared to a regular screwdriver. It's like 1 inch. A regular screwdriver is like 8 inch, when this one is 9 inch. And if you want to compare it with a 11-in-1 multi by Klein, also it's almost 2 inches short. Yeah, this is a 7. This is a 7 inch. So definitely it's longer, and at the same time it's practical because it's fast. You can change to your slot, you can change to your fillet real quick. It's long. Then if you just doing a square, you can go back real quick. The bibs are tight, but at the same time they're very soft to move it. This is a 32560. Had the same rubber handle. It's a extend multi in the back. This one is made in Taiwan. You can see it in the box. They're made in Taiwan. But the quality has no different from the one made in US. It looks like the same thing. The handle is good. The handle is also a little longer, like almost 1 inch to the 11-in-1, and another inch to the regular one screwdriver. It's really nice. I love it. This is my second one. The old one is still there, but I have it in another bag. It's not that it's broke or something like that. I have it in another bag. But this is a nice screwdriver. Thank you. Give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.